Hi guys, so I'm just making a short video on Microsoft Word and showing you some features that might help in making documents and presentations on in Word. Okay, so I'll keep it very short and I'll just share my screen and show you. So often what we do is we put a logo or something on the page, and sometimes you want that logo to come like appear again and again like on every page. So instead of like how we do it is we copy it here and then again on the next page you paste it and then place it again and so on. So that's a very tedious process. Instead of that, what you can do is you can just copy that logo, put it in the header. So if you I'll close it and show it again. So if you double click on the top of the page, you can see the header is showing. Now if you paste the logo here as a header, and you can put a lot of things here. So if you want to put a page number, you can put a page number at the, let's say, bottom of the page. Okay, and I want it to be shown as let's say like this. Okay, so I put this so it shows like this, and I put the header over here. Now if I close header and footer, so this top part is called header and this part is called footer. I guess that's something you know. There are alternative options as well, like you can put different first page odd even number, so it's only showing the page number on the even page or odd page, so something like that. There are quick parts like you can put your name and email ID or something if you want. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now close the header, delete the old photo because you don't need that, and now you can see that every time you on every page that logo is coming. Let me check. Hopefully, yeah, it should come on every page, and the page number is also showing. So that's a good way to use a logo. Second thing that I wanted to show you is sometimes when we paste pictures, so what happens is that let's say I paste this picture and by default, so let me just paste a random picture. Let me copy this and paste it again. Okay, so what happens is that by default this layout option is not checked, and your like the data that you have typed, that might get moved or something. So the best thing is to just click here. This is called text wrapping. So it's how the text will wrap that picture. And there are options like square, tight, through. So through will be like it's through the picture. So if you want something like that, you can put it like that. If you want something to, I generally use tight because that keeps a boundary, and so that's one option. Then there's behind text. So if it's a washed out picture, you can put it behind the text or in front of the text or whatever. Okay, so because this is a PNG image, behind text works well. But yeah, let me delete this. So that's another thing that I noticed, that sometimes during the assignments and stuff we tend to uh, mess up with the pictures and like the formatting goes haywire. So just like see the this line is cutting, so I'll just move it a little on top and you'll see that this line is again fixed. Okay, so that's the second thing that I wanted to show. And what else? Okay, another thing is that often what we do is like, okay, I put the heading of the page, and let's say I want only the company briefs with latest update, this to be on the first page, and then this should be on the next page. Okay, because presentation wise it doesn't look good. So maybe I want this to be on the next page. So generally what we do to fix this is we one second. Yeah, so generally what we do to fix this is you press enter, 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 and take it to the next page. Now the issue with this is that if you type something over here, let's say you add another line, that formatting will change, right? Or maybe you're happy with this, but here you added some new thing and then the formatting changes. So the best way to do that is to just go to the segment that you want. Okay, suppose I want this part to start on a new page. You can go here, go to insert and click on page break. So when you click on page break, this word will ensure that whatever this topic is, this topic starts on a new page every time. So irrespective of what, let's say I put, instead of roll number, I put Micah or whatever, I can type anything over here. this does not move, this stays here. Okay, and if by chance my text goes too much into this will go into the next page again, and it will make sure that it starts on the next page. Okay, so that is a thing, like interesting thing that I thought maybe you guys can use. So perhaps like you want this section to be here, and then you want this section to be on the next page. So instead of just using enter and so on, you can just click on page break, and it will make sure that thing is next page. Again, click here and click page break, and it will make sure that it goes to the next page. So these are a few tips that I wanted to share. The page header, page footer, and the text wrapping, and the page break. Okay, I hope this helps in making assignments and stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll keep posting more videos like this whenever I find something that might help. Thanks.